Good morning everyone. Today the third program of microcontroller lab we are seeing today. Program is program to find factorial of a number. Here we are going to find the factorial of a number. Now we are entering into the program. Area, tab space. In the key software we are going to do area, factorial, name of the program, comma, code, comma, read only. So microcontroller only read operation will be doing in the total program. Nowhere it is read write operation here. So entry is the first instruction. Microcontroller will come to know from here onwards it should start executing. Start is the label we are given. It is no without tab space. Afterwards move instruction mov r0 comma hash 3. Why we are given 3 is we want to find the 3 factorial. Move r1 comma r0. That means that 3 which is moved from 3 to r0 it is moved. Move instruction what it will do is this 3 will go and store in r0. Now this move instruction r0 value which is 3 that will go to r1. Compare r0 comma hash 2. Move r3 comma hash 01. We want to compare whether r0 which is 3 here 3 comma 2 is compared and execution will happen after comparison. That the result of that will be seen here. Branch less than 3 comma 2 is there. Whether 3 is less than or greater than which it will analyze. First operand it will analyze. As 3 is greater number, it won't go to the label called result. Here we have given the label called result. Result means here it will come move r0 to r3 to r0. So whatever the value is there in r3 that goes and stores in r0. That will happen only in the case where it is 2 and 1. 2 and 1 cases, because if it is 2 no directly r3 will be having, here it will be having 2 and that 2 will go to r0 and the program stops here. Stop, b stop, end of the program. Now this won't happen here because it is 3 comma 2. Branch less than result won't execute. It comes to the next instruction and it has started with a label called factorial. FACT I have written. Subtraction SUBS r1 comma hash 1. What is the value of r1? Here if you see the value of r1 is 3. Here it is moved from r0 to 3. So 3 minus 1 it will happen and the result which is 2 that stores in r1. Now compare r1 comma hash 1. That means 2 is compared with 1. Here we got to 2. That 2 is compared with 1. Branch equal. Both are not equal. So this instruction won't get executed. If they are equal it goes to the stop instruction. B stop, branch stop, it goes for the final infinite number of times it will rotate here, that is end of the program. As they are not equal here, it is 2 comma 1, so this instruction won't executed. It goes to the next instruction which is MUL. MUL means multiplication. Multiplication r3 comma r0 comma r1. What it will do is r3 is equal to r0 into r1 it will do. So what is the value of r0? R0 here only we got, r0 value is 3. What is the value of r1? R1 we have subtracted here, correct? We have subtracted here by 1, so it is 2. So 3 into 2, 6 will go and sit in the R3 register. Getting? Now move R0 comma R3. The value what we got here, that is moved to R0. Okay. Now branch not equal. Here where it is happening, compare instruction. Here only it is checking branch not equal. Compare instruction, here it is checking. Here branch equal, here branch not equal it will check. So what is happened? Branch not equal, so goes to the label called factorial. Again it goes here. First iteration is done. Now again subtraction r1 comma 1. Right now what is the value of r1? 2. 2 minus 1, so r1 will be having 1. Compare instruction r1 comma hash 1. R1 is also 1, here also it is 1. So both are equal, branch equal, this instruction will get executed and it goes to the label called stop. Stop means the label is here. Stop, B stop means branch stop. It goes for infinite number of times, that is end of the program and end. That means 3 2s are 6, 3 factorial we got 6, where here in R3 also we got, and finally we have moved that R3 value to R0 also. So we got the final answer is in register R0. Getting? Otherwise, see here R3, the result will be in R3 also, R0 also. In both places it will be there. In the Keel software you are going to show the answer finally in R0. Getting? That's all for this program. Thank you.